I'm a small grape farmer in Central California. I've been growing grapes for over a decade, but one variety changed everything for me: Crimson Seedless. 5 years ago, I heard about Crimson Seedless from a trader at a farmer's market. It was a seedless, crisp, ruby-colored grape that exported well. I planted just 50 vines at first, cautious, unsure. But that same year, something remarkable happened. Each vine yielded 25 to 30 kilograms of fruit. I was stunned. Not only was the yield exceptional, but the grapes were also uniform, disease-resistant, and heat-tolerant, perfect for my dry climate. Even with minimal irrigation and no chemical fertilizers, the vines thrived. The second year, I expanded to 200 vines. I pruned on time, trained the branches carefully, and fed them organically. By the third year, I couldn't keep up with the harvest. Local stores, restaurants, and even regional distributors began calling me before I could finish picking. Today, over 80% of my vineyard is Crimson Seedless. I've gone from selling baskets at roadside stands to shipping pallets to Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and even Canada. The demand for this grape is insane, because it's not just high-yielding, it's visually beautiful and tastes amazing. Bottom line, in grape farming, every vine is a commitment, but the right variety is a goldmine. For me, Crimson Seedless was that turning point. If you're planning to grow grapes and want consistent results, this is the one you can bet your land on.